So I wanted to show you how to transition to the next row again, because I've done it only once and I wanted to show you a second time. So here we are still with the turquoise color. We've got our second row of the open V stitch created, and it's looking very nice. As the rows get bigger, it's opening up a little further. So next I'm going to switch to this taupe color. It's kind of a golden taupe. But so we're on our last stitch of the bottom row. So remember that we did the chain stitch all the way around, and then we went back and did the chain stitch the opposite way. So I'm at the end of the chain stitch the opposite way. So I'm still coming back to front, and I want to come up right close to or in the same hole as the other chain stitch. And then up and over, that forms the open V. And then from here, I need to create another wing here on this open V, and then I'll continue with the chain stitch around. So I will go to the back, and I know that I need my needle right here. So I'm just going to come up underneath, hide the thread, and come out right where I need that. I need to cut those extra threads off. So it still forms the X like the rest of them, but I come out at the exact right place I need to be. So then I'm going to come from the back again, come right through the same hole. Hope I'm not too low. From the back again, right from the same hole, come up and over. And I've got my chain stitch. And I'm ready to go now on this next row. So I am going to switch colors, but I'll just show you in the turquoise. Back to front. Come up in the middle of the V. This is the chain stitch. Go over, back to front, middle of the V, up and over. So that's how you transition when you're at the end here. And you're always going to have just a single stitch, because when you turn around, you end up with only one stitch. But I'll go ahead and switch threads, start with this golden taupe, and work my way around the chain stitch, and then go backwards. And I'll do that for 2 rows. I hope that makes sense when you're trying to change to the next row. Excuse me, I have a dry throat right now. I'm talking too much. But that's what it's beginning to look like. I really like how it's opening up. It does remind me of bird wings. And I think it's just going to look better and better as we go along. Thanks for watching.